My name is Mrs. Baker. Today, as we work on fluency, we will focus on reading a story with expression. When we read a story with expression, we can stress important words and phrases. Some of these words will be in regular text, and others will be in the dialogue. Reading important words and phrases with expression helps you and listeners understand and make inferences about the text. Listen as I add expression in this passage. Books are my friends, he thought, which reminded him of the books sitting on the table at the library. I might as well go back tonight and shelf them, he decided. He entered the library and flicked on the lights. Immediately, he noticed a book, Small World, face down on the floor. "What's going on?" he muttered as he bent down and cautiously lifted up the book. "Ah!" he yelled and dropped the book. 4 miniature figures scrambled out of the way as the book landed on the floor with a thud. "Mr. Dodson!" exclaimed a breathless voice. "We are enchanted to make your acquaintance." "What? Who?" Rick stammered. So I added a little bit of expression here when our character screamed, or I made it sound like he screamed. That helped me understand that he was surprised by something. Generally, when you scream, you're surprised by something. And so that is one way how we can add expression into the story to help us understand and make inferences about the text. Today, we worked on fluency by reading a passage with expression. Reading with expression helps us understand the text better, and it helps us make inferences about the text. Thank you for learning with me today.